All right, Dave's gonna get ready to fly his 85-inch Skywing RC Extra NG. And we've got the AM850 T-motor with the AM216a ESC. Those are just released by T-motor. And it's spinning a 2410 T power and weight testing. So we'll give you some measurements on how the motor performs, and we'll get a flight in just a minute. You ready to go, Dave?
Yeah, all control surfaces are checked, proper direction, every one of them. One more check, and here we go, going up.
So in addition to a brand new motor test, this is also a maiden for Dave on this airplane.
Man, that is no trim.
No trim.
No, I do want a little bit of, I'm gonna do a little bit of right and maybe one click of up. All right, so first of all, I do wanna see the yaw test. A little bit to the left. I wanna do that again. Track's pretty good, straight down, we'll do that again. And it is blowing right to my face from the north, so we'll try
Before we get any farther into the video, I want to thank T-Motor for sending the AM850 195 kV motor out for review. They also included the 216 amp ESC that goes with it, running BL Heli 32. We'll talk about that in a little while. And they included the T-Motor carbon fiber 2410 prop up front. Beautiful prop. Dave, when he was setting up the plane, said it was perfectly balanced right out of the box. And just listening to it, it sounds fantastic.
All right, yaw trim is good.
It sounds like you could pull tree stumps with that thing.
Just a little bit of an arc. All right, let's see what the motor can do, which is the whole purpose of this video.
Big old 85-inch airframe. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. We already weighed it at 18.5 pounds. So that's what we're doing, all up weight in the air.
Let's do that that acceleration on vertical again.
What's so cool about that, think about it, it's heavier than a bowling ball. And you're accelerating straight up. Look at that. Nice. All right, Dave, your initial thoughts on the motor?
Oh, you hear it. It's nice and quiet. It's very nicely built, first of all. It is very, very nicely built. It's quiet, it's powerful, and we're not even using the bigger prop we can use with it. So, yeah, I like it. Nice. And the ESC is huge. Very well built, too.
Yeah, 216 amp ESC. High voltage, 12S. He's got two 6L 5000s in there in series for 12S. So Dave, any issues with the performance of the motor? Any stutter, desync?
Oh, no. Here, I'll tell you what, let's do, I do have an idle up. Let me bring the idle up all the way out. There you go. So the idle up is out. Out. On. I hear a little bit.
Yeah, I hear a little clunk.
There's a little bit of a thumping, and that's no brake or none of that stuff. But usually we cure that with just a little bit of up trim, and that's a lot of them do that.
Yeah.